Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Slack channel mentions to reduce stress, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Slack application on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the channel where you want to disable mentions. Click on the channel name at the top to access the channel settings. Select channel settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the option that says Notification Preferences. Click on it to open the notification settings specific to that channel. You'll see various options related to mentions and notifications. Find the setting for mute channel or disable all notifications. If you're using the computer version, you can also choose to customize your notification settings more thoroughly. Select only direct messages or nothing depending on your preference. If you're on mobile, you may need to tap on Notification Preferences after selecting the channel name. Choose Mute Channel to turn off notifications for that specific channel. After muting, you will no longer receive notifications for mentions in that channel. To manage mentions globally, go to your Slack preferences. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Notifications section. Here you can adjust how you receive notifications for mentions across all channels. Consider adjusting the settings for a channel and adhere mentions as well. Once you've made the desired changes, click Save Changes if required. Remember that muting a channel means you'll need to check in manually for updates. To unmute the channel later, simply repeat the steps and select Unmute Channel. Implementing these changes will help you reduce stress and maintain focus while using Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.